destiny.
Oh my God.
Oh, babe.
Yes.
The way you were dancing there, it was like you did not learn this dance.
What?
I did not enjoy the dance at all. Why didn't you contact these guys, Team and Yedin dancers? Seriously, they are good. I think they are around Bekwai. Jeez, you should have contacted them.
I'm so sorry, Ness, I have to do that.
You were going off the beat, seriously.
Wow.
See, you were off the beat.
But I saw people to dancing towards.
Oh, please, they were teasing you.
Or mocking at me as
well.
well.
They were mocking at you.
All the same, all as well. But, honey,
Yeah.
I'm here to show my gratitude. You have done what Napoleon couldn't do. 1 out of 1,000 ladies will do what you have done for me. For you to receive such a huge sums of money, give it to me. We bought a house. I mean, do business with it to the extent of getting married together. I am really proud of myself, all because of you. I'm here to say a very big thanks to you, baby. I'm much grateful. Hi.
I love you.
You said you wanted to tell me something. I also personally didn't come up.
Na me person me no din come on there me hu there me cry if. But I'll tell you baby, I'm grateful for what you have been doing for me.
Really?
Yeah, for sure, you know. We are seeing mba nyina na be na wo ye no. What you say? Your ma baby o street ni so an ya wo ye se na support me nyoma bad down. Wa boa me am still. Me da say the engine me na so no nyamba nyina na be sa. What you say? Me da was say. I say at least my perfect lady and everything. That's it. My relationship more, and I'm gonna marry this perfect woman in future. Come on,
sweet.
Come on.
But don't me I'm there.
Come on.
Oh, but you know, I love you, okay?
Love you more.
So the fact like only been interested, be me will be a mini mawana say be so what.
Yeah, for sure.
I love you so much. I will do anything for you. I just want you to be happy. When you're happy, I'm happy. When you smile, I smile.
Honey, I need not to call you by your name. You deserve so many names. You are my sunshine. When the darkness, you blow towards that place. You are my heart, and of course my heartbeat. As soon as my heart is beating, it means I feel it inwardly me. And you are my everything.
Fee, I know. I'm proud you are my man. I will stand by you every day, anywhere you go. I love you so much.
I love you too. Thanks so much for your words, so sweet.
Thank you too.
Your words has really influenced something within me, baby. I'm gonna love you in the morning, love you in the afternoon, love in the night, and baby, I'm gonna give you to in the midnight as well, because you deserve much.
I know. I love you so much.
Cheers to the success of our relationship.
and me doll, and I'll do anything to support you.
Thank you.
Anything in my own power to support you. On your ban or ban say like or Bob Brabo ma or best support you.
Yeah.
On say Bible class say and my member says support.
Yeah, for real.
Say must send you semi whoopia. Me wow.
Thank you, many because at least me say warm in me okay. And you know what? Madam Swajon say for now I say me set up a new business because beginning now me call now so call any fear come and now in your master man now me fear a bit might happen to you.
Whoa.
What I say? So my dad John say me start a new business I but scam more have for now no ain't me I start a business more. And I'm saying the two and once I'll come back now, they be better and at least with my boy 2,000. I'll be okay with it. How do you think about it? Come on. I really. Oh, come on. I really love your lips. Your cute lips.
Let me
Your father just start.
Wow, that's my queen. That's my sunshine. We are so sorry. Sorry about that. I believe this should be a surprise visit.
Very. It's a surprise to me. But you didn't call telling me that you were coming.
Yes. We thought.
Why should you do that?
I believe this should be a surprise to you.
It is.
Yes. We thought after honeymoon, this place should be the first place we need to visit. And then we show some gratitude because you did what Napoleon couldn't do when we were having a wedding.
Hey!
Boy, you see, Pam, I had a one eye in the onion. Why you ding. Ha! Monsieur Blana, every stop will be a bit. Boy, they are pardon to see can you be cram, and young way Atadwe.
Ah, Buga. I done this one time, so to our canon and my house. Oh, Buga, there were any my punch to what princess you can you won't you have ye. Abuga. See, can you be and Wobber Bomus was obeying us as one of you? Oh, I don't know. Oh, do I have that's all I want to buy with him? Ah, what's the Benaking? Now, Buga, I'm in a for Adam Vanka, bring away Adam Fool. I'm telling you the secret.
And a young as a minute with that.
Yamina for Adam Fanka, bring away Adam for Bakukura. When your man go ye, facing in ye. Hey, Buga.
Taddy,
Yamina, he be a bear fan.
Some did you going you? It's a nanny saying, you know. Do me a fair team bomb compared to having yet.
But you know, you didn't call before coming. Your uncle is not at home. He's gotten to work. Yeah.
I told you to call.
And honey, I wanted it to be a surprise. That is the whole thing.
Anyway, I'm around here. I can still host you. So.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ella. You look beautiful on your wedding day. I really loved every moment that we all had together. It was beautiful. And your dress was perfect on you too.
With my case, I felt a little bit shy when the pastor said I should give my wife some kiss.
Like
You shy before.
But anyway, it's not mal. We've all been there before. You were also looking good on that day.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks very much. So
your uncle is not there, but I can still hold you.
No problem.
Sure,
Just
up to you.
Get inside.
okay.
Okay.
Oh my God. I still recollect the honeymoon
See,
It's just that I'm not looking at him. I'm still enjoying her cups.
Yanko Padma, I mean, your Shabba as a for. Shabba as a for near radio. Onu Sufrana, Obajoso. To Sufra Radio Bajoso. Hey,
No credit when you would saw your mamma opinion now on to dear. No credit.
Buga. Ona ya Jankano. Also, crab on fast was and a mamma and papa, that's what he asked. Oh, boy. Would my watcher may found with you?
No, how?
Mention a Jankaba. I am like widow, my son.
Professor
Chena Jankaba.
Yata.
Yango Pongo Mela, or you strange. Yam Lennon Sonia. Sabrina Sono Sham and Uncle Bay you up here. What I say. You're from there, Norma. Young from my Dutch, you're being camp. You're book in Tran to walk to find young Chirimano. Say a better answer a year. To you, I am Norma Mingun and Norma. You're from is a Norma for us.
I see. Oh, Mrs. Biadi, Nakuba be said about what's the uncle in the TV.
Then what by names of forcing me. To me, I now guess I'm a couple, maybe I may person Mabush, but didn't include that you. Nabuga, one year present in Koyag, Mammy, to be a while, he would be sending mercy at Chinchilla.
What in Trampa?
No person in Koyag, Madin Kagak, Timid, send a free woman. I want to be free, always free.
sweetheart. So why are you? Why are you, Papa? Hey,
Wow.
so hotel on one actually Kiveli hono.
Me say, my friend been a last month on worry Cynthia. So no mommy who that hotel.
Hey,
A way you good and casa.
she said why fankasa? Oh, she said why are you? Seriously.
Allah so me say, o do you mean your precope. See me mal baby, I want your papa be asa.
She said why are mommy no? She said I am a fed do.
Yeah, I'm done. I didn't even take my watch. I'm almost late. Sweetheart, I couldn't prepare anything. So I have to cook this on yourself.
Come on.
Thank you. Don't miss me too much.
Come on.
Love you.
All right. Good luck.
Okay, dear.
Mabusi ni be any with my say. Girlfriend, God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you so much.
Amen. I hope so. Be a call.
Of course, I had fun.
Can be on my wedding.
Hell no. Talk
Wow.
of that, sweetheart. Minim crosses and sorry, man, pay us and say.
Sir,
The divine star for you know. Hey, say me I'm enjoying it kwa. Me I'm ni me osha. Me I'm say me nya hwe sorry dem ho. Me kwa na answer ma kotina ho and dem.
so better one day.
Eso nya mo bodi a cheme de. Baba na po members nya me hire wo.
What's it that?
Mese kwande ma iskan ko to aduane.
When till I made that, what be done a minute. Now, come on, when Sunday, chicha, I made a pussy up.
Ma me aba se no wo kan. Uni se won timi hwe ma nka wa nwoma mba wi ase o. Se wa hu. Wa wo ma ba wi ase ni ma iskan ko didi so ada bia mbeka so ene so akwa akoda na ma nso.
Now, no, but no one in there, Akata. One who said here for fee and an over.
Se me ba manhu. Se me ni se fie bi se ni me ba kra nka nda yefunu nka me mankun ho.
I don't know what's necessary. Why an't Casa near Canada? Ah, my PM. But you don't want Pejuma, Pejuma, there be a musica better than Eddie. No, I may be.
Na da bi o me ntwa wa no nya adwuma ne me ye ne wura nko no.
Eddie Juma.
Kwadufo be ho nya adwuma ne me ye no ho no. Koko na se me do na nya adwuma.
Ntu ko ha na wo ba di sika ba ho. Ana fa bi ntwa aduane ni. Ka ya adwuma ko afum ho na ba de na fa sika ma metwa aduane ni. Na ma dwen sa. Me ya ma hwe wo du sei. So wo nya adwuma be di sika be ba be nya bia twa aduane di. No abere papa bia. Ana wa ma ye bia. Me ya betiti mi o.
So na me catch you. O kwa so ron join she. So won wade o mayo. So mo say o mo do me. Say me dem ko. Say me ko we die. Wa we die meku no fa ho hye. Sister me gina youth na wan ko a meku no fa ho hye. Me gina me ko purpose ho. Me ko purpose. Hey, sweetheart. Oh nya me shout. Amen. I hope say husband ho ye dey. Oh no. Yeah. But like you ko na ye no bibi na ye. Don't say no. Don't say no, girl. Okay, let's go.
Yes, I said now what can the entossment. Oh, one by basis is somebody what purge mamma and Emmanuel. And I won't get to the minimum fan conquer Yajuma.
Me, Masha, I'm not was see a woman. I put him between said the quack at the poncono. Me, men shall. Let's see a woman crying in face and enya. Me, men shall. Maybe a papi mo. My bro. Sa ko ye dwuma so wani aba ho so no wa dwen ye dwuma dia ye de utu odwum na abesua ana ye pe bibi ma na de be ye dwuma pesika be fie dia ani o papa me ne be twere ho se wa yi nipa
ani ona ne nkasa ni ska hia mo de be mama kwa ko ye dwuma no mo mfa mbo ana me mfa nya ndwom because say ma twere ndwum gudani mpa ma me nya bi obebo ama nde ndwon hia ba abontene tini zo ka kire ne bibi aso si dia de sika hia mo be ya no mo mfa mbam me amekọ recording studio no akoye me ndwom ya me boa na e fa mama nka ma me didi e be didi wo fi akura nya asenketwa
wo betina kura we ase abayanyum wonni kuro due mu ha na abena so ne ba wo wa hene e ka se wo tworo no mo ye ni mo ye den fa woni hu so wadar ko nse ni ti kuro yi
na so no ni voice
na wo voice
powerful voice aye kita nya bi no no kita Selendu ankura teme a wa cheme so te abrochire ni nte Ghana
eni se de wa wo dwani we se we na de betunu ede
mama wumbum voice wa
where voice
wumbum voice love my mom my love my sister I swear my mom died my mom died mama just a man doing here, Mertono, Yan send him, and toss him to walk over than you won't. Me, my man, one hour, me, and one at me, Brother money. Sobrania maniuna, ya kami mami kwa manyo biara nziru. Seme mami ambra mi uzeye iyo bia ni madiche mu asem yeye. Ebia ne dia be ko ba ni se ene wiase moduma nkuma wo ne pade payo. Ya betwe mami yo. Na ya twe mami fununu abia suo.
Na se o je mi wo ahu ohun se sibre wate ohun se domire wate ohun asine ohun ba wi ase pepe so sie wate o hwe bi mi wo bebo a sa okwanko mo bebo ti so se wo kwa na me wo aka maka se mini ba o wi ase wate de wo ye nyina ase be so bebo na mane dwumbodi e wo tiri mu o wo be wu awu biem adika wa samado aka che na nanum se minyi agba abiru akuta poma asa na matoa wo mo wa bo wo dam wo hwe mi wuo mate
The Game Boy.
From the beat.